Well, hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Camera focus, thank you. Today we'll be unpacking or unboxing the dual battery charger and one single battery for the GoPro Hero 7 and Hero 6. I don't know why it's focusing like this. Also for the 5, all the way compatible back. It's like a double battery pack. So let's get right into it. So I opened it down here so we can slip everything out like this. Oh, we have a little manual. Interesting. Here in Russian. And then we have here a little cable to charge. Oh, to charge. I guess that goes in here. It's a USB-C, if you can see that. Oh, doesn't focus. It's a USB-C and just goes in here. And then this you can just put any normal USB port. Yeah. Then here, the charger looks like this. To put in 2 of those batteries. And we also got one of those batteries to immediately put in, even though this is a bit of a tough packaging here. Okay, here we go. Then let's see what side. And you can just put this in here. I think push. Yes, push, and then it's in there, and you can charge 2 at the same time. So it's really good for traveling. You can have 2 charging, and you can charge 1 in the camera, so you can basically charge 3 at the same time. And then with the little handle, just gonna take them out, the other one, and out again. Alright, perfect. So that was Humble Unboxing with another unboxing here on those GoPro, the double charger and 1 battery. And the camera is being stupid, I don't know why. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have an amazing day and see you another time. Bye bye.